It's Over the Bottles again, and welcome. We dey here for 1759 Lounge for Regun area of Lagos, and it's happening on Valentine's Day. As you can see, Val sef dey show this table na red. Somebody for my side like this sef dey for inside red. Yo, but plenty things dey happen for social network as usual, and social network red well for this week. Some na relationship issues, and that is why we bring am come here. Some persons talk some things for social network wey trend that issue, and then some things wey dey happen for politics. You know, so everywhere now na politics. Na the things wey we go discuss today. And with me to discuss this show as usual, these issues, na Anwuleka.
Happy vows.
Over there na Shaggy. I no wan mention that other person because na she be our special guest for this show. Na Valentine show.
Make Shaggy do introduction.
And we want Shaggy to introduce the person wey sit down near am.
Alright, if you're watching us live from Over the Bottles, my name is MC Shaggy. You all know that I'm a comedian. I'm here with my humble, beautiful wife.
Yeah.
Today is Valentine, so I decided to invite her over the bottles. You understand what I mean? Yeah.
So what's her name?
She's the CEO of Triple Arrow Fabric.
Triple R Fabric.
Yeah. CEO. Her name is Nneka.
Nneka. Oh, Nneka one name. Chineke Gozie.
Amen.
That's how we dey enter inside this matter. Now relationship things na in dey happen. Even though some people say na to do some other things, like Shaggy talk today, but I no wan mention that one. Something's happened for social network over the week.
What you don't want to mention? You don't want to talk about.
You don't mention.
You say Valentine.
You don't mention.
What you day on top of Valentine matter? The orientation most teenagers they get now. Valentine, bring your baby, more go run things. Bring my baby, more go run things. Papa must make sure see the car enter somewhere. You know that kind of thing. She be that we tell the little boy be that.
Okay. But that thing you not supposed to happen. But you know, Valentine, they say now one man way show love. Where?
Now the story where they show love.
Now wait till teenagers they think. My same self not think like that before.
No, me I'm not a teenager. I'm
married.
She said before. She said before, not be now.
Okay.
Talking about love, one guy where. Whether I go say it's a bit love where I go say play Two-Face.
Yeah, but how you go talk say in the play?
Ah, you get plenty picking.
When you say play,
no, it's a bit Two-Face na play.
Two-Face na Nakademus now.
The Nakademus guy. He can't go post something for social network about him and his wife. You know, they kind of apologize for some kind of things wey happen. Like say their marriage don't they get issues. So the thing can't begin trend. Another person somewhere knocking on background. So the thing can't be like say the new trend though for social network. If you just want maybe make you trend, just bring your family matter for social network. Make people begin talking.
First of all, social life and social network life don't really go too bad to the extent that when they say people they feel hide their secrets again. Very soon they wash out as this Valentine they go on now. You see and see some girls will come out now and say, man, this is the condom we just finished using.
They knock themselves.
But
you know, it don't happen already now.
Yeah?
It don't happen. Maybe not
live
like
show
down. I don't see go away for Facebook. I be waiting when person post like this. See my husband, we just finished. See my boyfriend, we just finished doing, and
no, this one,
for success to do.
Really?
Are you serious?
Well, that one, you know they hear the way they talk so. They will just won't start now. They will come so but start until the entire. We are making love.
Anyway, we don't see sex videos several times.
Because social media don't spoil a lot of things.
But they forget that they are teenagers there.
Okay. But you don't spoil so a lot of things. You don't make. Moral life, you understand? There are a lot of things going wrong on social media. So that's what I'm trying to say because the next 2030. Unless they close down Instagram.
But about that Two-Face and his wife issues, you know, say a lot of times, people might say I'm superstitious, but it's better not to jinx it. Don't call what is not. I'm like even the Bible says
it's like prophecy.
Say it as if it is. people have been Bible.
No, God said like somewhere in the Bible that as you have said and I've heard in my ears.
Yeah, so like
so
a lot of people say from God, from your mouth to God's ears.
Yes.
You know,
it
don't jinx it.
And it's like it's even coming to pass because I noticed Annie Dibia did not take that thing.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I also read that she said that whatever it is she said also made it sound like there was
something
the
wrong.
marriage was wrong.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know who Two-Face is. You know, Two-Face now one kind of dandy guy. We don't came from different places. People can easily believe that kind of environment.
At first, it was a rumor from Sheyi Law's own.
Yes.
Sheyi Law came out as a comedian. We all know. Even when he came out, it looks. Everybody was even thinking that he's a comedian. I don't mind. That's how they joke. Understand? But Sheyi Law came out at the same time. Come out that okay, they like bad news. I don't fear me post my shows, but I feel post bad news. Make una use the way una take post my bad news, take post my show. You know that kind of thing. Fine, we take that one. We know say yes. Even me, I make comment and say Sheyi Law, why can't this kind of play? It's too rough.
Yeah. He had to apologize to his wife now.
Yes, now he apologized to his wife.
Yeah. It's not right. Don't bring your marital. Don't bring these issues to.
So
you can use something. There are a lot of things you can joke about if you're trying to promote something, but don't go as far as you bringing your marriage into it. You remember one time that AY had marital issues.
Yes.
That he was accused of dating one lady like that.
Yeah.
You know, it caused serious issues. Till today, he did not come out to say it was the publicity stunt. So a lot of people believe it really happened. You know, it was a trying time in his marriage. But for Sheyi Law now and Two-Face to bring up something like this, even though they came out to say that it was a publicity stunt, it's not really nice.
It's not right.
It's not right.
You know what the problem I have with this thing, and that's something I would like us to also focus on. It's be like when person day for fun. You know, just go farm like this. Small time you shout, lion no, lion no, lion no. Everybody don't rock.
The real lion go come out.
The lion go hold up. The day lion go come.
Yes. So the day when lion go come,
Nobody go come.
Nobody go answer.
Like on the lighter note, there was a joke there, and they normally talk about this mountain of fire. And every fire, every time they are praying, you hear fire. But the day they hear fire cash, nobody answered the question. They say, leave and say
they pray. Fire.
Yeah, you see.
That's the truth.
So that stunt is very expensive, expensive stunt. And moreover, in case of Two-Face, there's little element of truth inside. There's a little element of truth.
You think?
Yes.
Yeah, people are saying it online. Yeah, people are even saying it online. That there could be an element of truth in what he said.
That he's trying
no
to
marriage
promote
is perfect,
something else.
No marriage is perfect.
It's possible too. He was trying to promote a show or whatever.
We are still on the watch, so probably let's still watch.
See the statement. I'm sorry to say that I fucked up so much.
Like me, I'm planning to throw a stunt like that to my wife.
As a father and blah 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 blah. But in the real sense, Two-Face is Two-Face really a role model? Some of the things he actually said. Yes.
Role model as what? Two-Face is not a role model. Two-Face is a legend in the music industry.
Yeah.
He's a music legend. He's not a role model. If you want to talk about,
why would you say it's not a role model?
No.
A role model to
Two-Face is not a role model.
People play a role model to people that are trying to get their life back together
in the music industry.
From the streets.
Sorry, let me put it this way. Two-Face is a role model when it comes to how the music industry is being grown, the growth of the music industry. Fine, but your social life, your moral life, Two-Face is not a role model to you.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay, all right.
Let us not go deep into it.
Yes, let's not go into that. As it is, una don't hear am. The first thing now, mind the kind of things where they post for social network.
Yes, now.
No go call lion when there
my wife no
cat self no dey. Cat no dey around, you call the shout lion. Wahala go dey the day when lion go come outside. Remember the PDP people when they shout power. When power show, stage collapse. So be careful of what is posted back and posted.
That was too much power. That was too much power.
All right, in the next section of this show, we go discuss one other matter and politics we want to talk. Some things happen for Ogun State. Some people throw bottle on top some people where they're not supposed to throw bottle. And plenty other things happen around that. Don't go away. It's still your show over the bottles.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Kiki.
Sean Kentebe.
Deyemi Okolawon.
Je m'appelle Ufoma McDermott. Ronke Odusoya.
Sean Wajaya.
And you're watching
Bounce.
Bounce.
To see a lot more,
click here to subscribe, okay?
Now see your show over the bottles and we still dey here for Lounge 59 for Regun. For this section of the show, we wan talk politics more because na politics be the things wey dey happen. The only thing wey dey happen for Nigeria now everywhere you go na campaign. Campaign happened for Ogun State some days ago and Buhari come when he wan raise the hand of APC candidate, governorship candidate for Ogun State. Na so people begin throw bottle. Yes, so bros.
What did you expect?
So the governorship, no, not the governorship candidate that target to, but
yes.
What if the thing don't touch Baba, you know?
The government.
Wait, touch am now.
Who dey ask that question?
Because no,
They
you know
are
say
Nigerians.
as I dey like this, if I want raise your hand, somebody wants to you something. Now disrespect for me. Say they not even look, say president, I even dey raise, you know, that kind of thing now.
It speaks a lot.
That speaks a lot about the mindset of every Nigerian.
Because right now, it speaks a lot about the party. It speaks a lot about the person that the governorship candidate. It also speaks a lot about the person raising the hand of the governorship candidate.
And it speaks a lot about the party, Charlie, the APC
the party, yes. Because for you to get to the point of stoning. Because even the Islamists, the Muslims, they for you to stone somebody means a lot.
Yeah.
So even to Buhari, I think it's I don't know,
See,
biblical, Quranically.
Nigerians, you know, this country now, the politicians, everybody, the people ruling us, the leaders, they are living in the life of everything, assuming everything is okay in this country. And things are not okay. Things are not okay in this country. That's a typical example of Nigeria is not okay. The leaders are not doing well. For once, I always talk, I say, make una try una best. For once, man, I do one better thing. Do well for once, for 1 year, for 4 years. Try for once. Take compensate the rubbish when they happen for the country. It doesn't tell well about Tinubu too. You understand? The party is party chairman. It's not tell well about it. Imagine that. He was so disappointed. What do you expect? Do you think people are happy with you the way you are working on the road, using money to oppress people? Do you think people are happy with you? Do you think the masses are happy with you?
That thing don't contribute to why they carry, why they carry.
Now. Imagine I was watching a video today. Former minister of she was going to her village. She dey go to her village. She carry a jeep inside boat to go to that village. And the people still welcome her.
Imagine.
Why don't you make sure that they should construct a bridge to that village?
And I'm sure a lot of things are going bad.
Do you know what?
Because people cannot transport things out
I'm
of that.
not even angry with the leaders again. I'm angry with Nigerians who are so full. I will say it. Who are so foolish. They overlook. They buy their man with little things.
Exactly.
Understand? You give us light. They manage to give us like 4 hours for this country. Nigerians, they go praise. They give. It's my right. It's my right for you to make the road okay for me as a civilian.
I'm paying tax.
It's my right for everything to be okay for this country.
There's nothing to show.
If you are not doing it, it's not your right that I've done it. You have not done anything.
But another thing where I suspect, say, you also trigger this thing. You know, say Amosu and Oshomole. If you notice, Oshomole that day, they don't let them talk. They don't let Oshomole talk. Because Oshomole, Naim and Tinubu, I think, and picked the person where they represent them, where Buhari won't raise his hand. So they don't even let Oshomole talk.
You know, there's something about
Oshomole
that has been angering a lot of APC
Oshomole,
members
Amechi, all the leaders, from their heart, from the conscience that which God created them with, as a human being, they cannot walk ordinarily on the street.
Abi?
People go bully them.
A lot of people are angry with, especially Oshomole, because since he became the leader of APC, a lot of things have gone wrong in terms of choosing party flag bearers.
Yeah.
A lot of, like in Imo State, like in Enugu State, there are a lot of people that people have been grooming, or that have been groomed to talk about the position. All of a sudden, he came out and scattered everything. It's a lot of people still feel it's a good thing because it has shown everybody that nobody is above the law. Things can change for you no matter who you are, who you think you are. But then within APC, they are not happy with some of his
you shouldn't be happy because politics is a game. Politics is a game. Nobody should be happy with each other. It's a dirty game. Nobody should be happy with each other. Buhari is not even happy with Osibanjo. Nobody should be happy with each other.
How do you know Buhari is not?
It's a game. It's a game. Okay, more just did them, more blow off the game. It's a game.
What happen? I see one video where Tinubu throw away
flag, yeah.
What happen?
He was angry now, very angry. He said the same this Ogo State or Ibadan where they went for a rally. He said the same venue. See, you know, the OT after stoning because the governor of that state, is Ajimobi, whatever. Ajimobi now. The Oyo State. Ajimobi. That, you know, he doesn't have a good record in the states.
Yes.
The governor doesn't have a good record. People are looking for a way to just disgrace him. He has a very bad. That man, tomorrow, if you come out as a governor, if you come out to walk on the street, they will lynch him.
That's serious matter.
That's it. So imagine that now. You are expecting that kind of person when you know so not invest for. Come out. Now wow.
But wait, I only can let una two be women. I know one make it like say we decide land now for this matter. What thing happen to women? For this politics. Where Buhari wife dey?
My dear, if you ask me now,
what's it concern, madam?
If you ask me now, I ask.
Buhari wife.
Because before now, we don't know say Buhari wife don't they talk a lot of things against the APC.
Of course.
So I'm not surprised that she's not in the forefront in this election because in the past we've seen first ladies come out in a mass and bring their fellow women
with
to
support
you
their
know,
husband.
But we've not seen that happen this time.
It won't happen.
I think it goes a long way to show that the woman
She
is not
herself is tired of the tenure of the husband. He's tired of the leadership from the husband.
It is also, would I say, sparking more rumors about the possibility of our president not being who we think he is.
A rumor that the husband is Jubri, not Buhari.
Because
they talk the two
people have attributed that statement. I beg, they fear. People have attributed that statement to her. I've not heard her say it, but people have attributed that statement. So I think her not being part of the campaign group or
yes, but by now she's supposed to be campaigning women, the support this, women that this
she's in support.
She's not sure for TV.
I don't think, and there was also a rumor that went around that even his son Yusuf, because that one's name, that one that had an accident the other time, that he too has pledged support to Atiku. I don't know how true that is. I saw the story.
Some people even say
later on, people said it was a rumor.
Some people say the woman nowhere.
So I really don't know.
That's another thing.
No. Do you know today? I won't be surprised because the way things are going. Baba not dey okay now. Baba not dey okay.
I know, I'm not being doctor.
Even you know the day near your husband, not the day near your wife. Self. Man, when no feel want things on top of bed. Valentine. You know feel want things. Valentine not share for her.
You know what wife dey in corner now.
Bros, don't go there. Don't go there.
You know what wife dey in corner.
Don't go there.
Okay.
Valentine dey do.
So
why you dey fear?
Una don hear the politics wey dey happen for Nigeria. That politics don tough. E don reach climax now. Like Saturday, carry your PVC, go outside there, best vote for person wey Buhari say make sure say you vote for the person wey you like.
Just go and vote. There are rumors that different INEC stations have been burned down.
Not rumor, it's happening.
Anambra State bomb and all that. That means they are trying to burn down the data.
You sure say that data?
There's a possibility that
you can burn down data
PVC is not going to work.
Well, I never can tell.
Oh my God.
But bros, as you hear them, that's how we say for social network everywhere. The matter where they happen, I will they discuss for here. As they happen, as people they talk different things. You can be part of this table. Just follow us on our social network handles as then they pop out like that. You go see all of them. Follow us. You can also click the subscribe button that you're seeing on this video so that you'll be able to get subsequent editions of this our show. Now, so we end down today on this Over the Bottles. It is your show. You can be part of this table. Just send us email. Go see our email for them. Send the email and make sure that you come and be here. It is your table and it is for everyone. See you next time. Happy Valentine. Enjoy your vow.
Hello everyone, this is Bam Bam.
And Teddy.
Download Bounce News app.